How to make highlights on Instagram. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to make highlights on Instagram. The first step is to open or launch the Instagram mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app, where you'll find posts that have been shared along with other features of the platform. From here, make sure you tap on the icon to create a new post. Once you do that, go ahead and begin the process of creating a new story. Continue through the steps just like I'm doing here until you reach the final step right before posting. Make sure you follow the tutorial step by step so you don't miss any important detail. Now, once you reach this point, tap on the Share option. The menu will expand to reveal more options, as you can see here. Just before posting the story, you will notice an option labeled Add to Highlights. Make sure you tap on it. After that, this other page appears where you're required to enter or type the title for your new highlight. Type your desired title into the space provided. Once you're done with that, go back and tap on Done. The highlight will then be created and shared, just like you can see here. If the highlight feature is missing from your account, try updating the app and check again to see if that fixes the issue. If that doesn't work, you can contact Instagram support and report the problem. They should be able to resolve it for you. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to make highlights on Instagram.